Oh god, no. I do not want. Hi! Oh boy. Hello? Go away! Okay, doors open. All the way.
In this game, you can look at the sun.
I swear.
You can look at the sun in real
If
life
this
too.
bird flies around my rec room.
Stop saying it! Please. Now where'd it go? Oh, there. Well, hi.
Oh, don't joke it.
Hi there. Just left my hand. Alright. Okay, there we go. Hi. Oh.
I'm thinking of village.
Pretty good when I touch you. Okay, good. It's like hi. Whoa.
Hi.
Nope.
Oh
Hey,
yeah,
it's on
I
him.
got out this way.
Come on,
Marble?
Maddie.
please. With the talkage. Alright. Where, oh. Stick your face in the light. Gotcha. It's okay. The window is open, right?
It's open.
Okay.
That would be a
Well,
second.
bye.
No!
Oh god.
Okay.
Okay.
Open the remaining window.
Oh boy.
It's going upstairs!
It's upstairs.
Come on, let's go open up the door!
Oh boy.
It's upstairs!
Okay,
Open the doors. All of them.
I'll do the front.
Okay. Help me find the bird.
It might be
Hi,
where?
man.
Where?
Living room.
Okay, open the window without the. Oh. Open? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now how do you get it out?
Okay.
Yeah, that isn't gonna.
I need a chair.
No, you don't. Stand on your tippy toes. Grab the bird. Awesome.
Thanks. Okay.
I'll pick it up.
Okay.
Oh, come
Okay,
on.
shoo it towards
Go.
Maddie. Open the doors.
Open the doors.
All
I'll
of.
open up the back. Open the door.
Don't let the dog in. Whatever you do.
Hey,
Open the
it's
front
not
door.
yet. It's not yet.
I'll open up the
Oh
side.
my.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
this is hysterical.
Oh, I'm so glad your dad's not here right now.
Oh crap.
Get inside.
Stupid bird. It's like dirt.
You take me to hell?
Ceiling.
It was gonna be just so easy to grab that bird.
Okay. Quiet. We agree not to show Daddy this video, okay?
It's all good. He'll laugh because it'll be over by then.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh! Yay!
Yay!